but for two, to be able to make other streams of income or money while hopefully the Turo demand goes back up. Because Turo right now is slow for a lot of people across the United States because of the timing and where we're at. People are saving money for Christmas gifts.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything is...
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing today? It's me, Brandon, your friend, your neighbor, your host, back again for another video with Innovation Property Atlanta. Hope you guys are doing well out there. Before we jump into the video, guys, remember as always to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and refer a friend, and also hit that notification button when I'm dropping out new videos. So today's quick update, guys, is going to be around what's going on in the Turo market as far as December. I did a previous video giving you guys a recap on how I did for Thanksgiving. This video is going to be more or less so what I expect is going to happen in the next couple of weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks with the holidays coming, with Thanksgiving, not Thanksgiving, but Christmas, and also with New Year's. So, and what you guys can do to to be able to, for one, practice patience, but for two, to be able to make other streams of income or money while hopefully the Turo demand goes back up. Because Turo right now is slow for a lot of people across the United States because of the timing and where we're at. People are saving money for Christmas gifts, travel for Christmas, New Year's, and also bills coming up for for next year. So right now it seems like be a slow cycle across many big metro areas. And if you guys are in areas that Turo is booming, please let me know. Chime into the comments and leave feedback. If you're in an area where Turo is doing really well, people are out and about renting cars, because right now in the Atlanta area is extremely slow. This weekend alone, I only had 2 cars that went out. Last weekend, I had 2 cars that went out. So I had a total of 4 cars out of 16 available every weekend that went out. So that goes to show you where I'm at as far as utilization. Usually most of the time on the weekend, I'm 10, 11, 12 cars out the door on the weekend. But right now, it's just extremely slow. So a lot of times people are going to tell you to lower your prices, get creative with your marketing, all those things, which may or may not help. But for me, I like to stay true to what I do in terms of, I don't want to lower my prices too much where it starts creating a new funnel of people. I don't want to rent my vehicles, because that's going to create longer issues for me that I deal with, from them not taking care of the vehicle, them beating the vehicle up, accidents, all that. So that's what comes with a lower demographic when it comes to lowering your prices to 30, 40%, 50% of what you have right now. Certain cars I can take a look at and see if that's going to work, but most of my cars, it's hard to be able to give a substantial discount and people take care of it. So I came up with a couple ideas for you guys to still maintain your fleet, because in this game you got to have some type of savings as far as reserves, whether that be for a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Ideally you want to have 5, 6 months of reserves, but I understand you're getting started and you got 4 or 5 cars, 10 cars, whatever you have, and you're trying to build up your cash flow, build up those reserves. So it takes a while to be able to do that, years and years of doing this to be able to build those reserves up. So it's important to don't let anybody tell you side hustles are bad when it comes to getting money to maintain your business. So if you're working a 9 to 5 and you're able to have disposable income from your 9 to 5 to put into your Turo business, that's awesome. If you got to hustle and do Uber, DoorDash, Postmates, cut hair, run a trucking, do something as far as trucking and Amazon trucks and Amazon, and whatever your skill set is, you go to different websites and market your skills to be able to create extra income. Nothing is wrong with that, guys. So we're all in the hustle, we're all in the grind. And last time I checked, everybody I know is not rich, so they don't have millions of dollars just sitting around to keep pouring into their Turo business. So you gotta do what you gotta do to feed your business and keep your assets alive and running well, so that you can get your assets paid off and they start paying you. So that's the whole goal, guys, is to find out ways to keep feeding your company money, to keep the cash flow coming in, so you guys can keep afloat even during hard times. So I'll be back to create more videos, give you guys updates on a week-to-week basis on how I'm doing as far as my cash flow and rentals and what went out. Like I said, in Atlanta is slow right now, so I'll be the first to tell you I'm coming up with ways to get creative for next year to be able to keep the cash flow coming in even when it slows down, guys. So we're all in the same boat. If you have any questions, leave feedback or just hit me up in my DM on Instagram. You guys want to know any strategies, and then we'll go from there. You guys have a good day. Appreciate it.
Fire to fuego, we pass it round, hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil, I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special, you gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade, sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed, less you change. What's around you, how you think, how